Hello, my name is Risma. How to wash clothes in the washing machine. Put dirty clothes and detergent into the washing machine drum. Fill the tube with enough water. Then run the washing cycle. Wait until the washing cycle is complete. After that, remove the water in the tube. After that, fill it with water again for the rising stage. And then run the washing cycle. After you finish disposing of the water. After the rising stage is complete, move it to the drying stage. After that, take out the clothes for drying.